Artificial intelligence, a tool once hailed as the future of news, has now become a source of controversy. Picture this: an AI that generates news notifications, summarizing the world's events at your fingertips. That was the promise of Apple's AI feature. Yet the reality has been far from ideal, with the AI repeatedly producing error-filled and fake headlines. News organizations and press freedom groups expressed their discontent, highlighting the dangers of misinformation. This leads us to a pivotal moment in AI news generation: Apple's decision to pull its AI-generated notifications. In a surprising move, Apple has temporarily disabled its AI-generated news notification feature. This surprising decision comes on the heels of a series of error-filled and fake headlines that led to considerable backlash from news organizations and press freedom groups. Apple, known for its forward-thinking approach, found itself in the crosshairs of criticism due to inaccuracies in AI-generated news summaries. Renowned organizations such as the BBC voiced their concerns about these inaccuracies and the potential impact they could have on public trust. In an era where reliable information is crucial, the propagation of misleading or false news can have significant repercussions. In response to the criticism, Apple has promised to improve the feature and re-enable it in the future. However, they've also made it clear that the revised feature will have clearer indications that the information is AI-generated. This incident underscores the challenges and risks associated with AI technology fabricating information. It's a stark reminder that while AI holds great promise, it also comes with its share of challenges that need careful navigation. As we navigate this new era of AI, it's critical to consider the implications of this technology on our news consumption. We've seen the pitfalls of AI news generation, as with Apple's recent debacle and previous issues with models like ChatGPT. These incidents underscore the need for transparency in AI-generated content, with clear indications that the information is produced by artificial intelligence. Moreover, they highlight the importance of human oversight in AI development to ensure accuracy and prevent misinformation. As we look ahead, it's clear that the integration of AI in news generation is a complex issue, teetering on the fine line between innovation and misinformation. Join our community of informed citizens, subscribe to your daily dose of news, and be part of the conversation.